Okay, it's the next day of lead coding. Let's get it done quickly. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Yep. Find the number of distinct colors among the balls. You are given an integer limit and a 2D array queries of size n times 2. There are limit plus 1 balls with distinct labels in the range 0 to limit. Initially, all balls are uncolored. For every query in queries that is of the form xy, you mark ball x with color y. After each query, you need to find the number of distinct colors among the balls. Return an array result of length n, where result of I denotes the number of distinct colors after ith query. Oh, okay. Note that when answering a query, lack of a color will not be considered as a color. Okay, makes sense. So the point is, the catch here is a ball can be colored twice. We need to keep track. If a ball is already colored, and if we color it again, first, is that the same color, or does that change the number of distinct colors overall? That is the point of this question. So I believe we can do this using two hash maps, one for frequency of the colors, like the count of colors, and one is for the balls, like what ball is what color, right? So for example, this one, right? So there are I can make like 4 balls are there, right? 0 1 2 3. No, what? Limit plus 1 balls. Oh, what? Okay. Oh, 0 1 2 3 4. Got it. 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, now this is the ball color, like what color is what ball, right? And what is y? Can y be anything? Is there a limit on y? Queries of y can be anything. Okay, so for that we can just simply use a hash map. Let's call it frequency count, frequency of color, right? So after first query, distinct color, initially it is 0, right? We need 3 variables. Distinct color count, initially it is 0, right? After first query, the first ball is colored with 4, so frequency of 4 will be 1, and distinct colors will be increased by 1, right? So when a color is introduced in this map, this is a map, we increase the distinct colors by 1, and when the frequency of any color goes to 0, we decrease this by 1. So that's the situation. Okay, let's get this done. After the second query, ball 2 is colored with 5. 5 is not there in the map, so we increase distinct color by 1, and frequency of 5 will be 1. After query 3, 1 is colored with 3 again, right? So we decrease the frequency of 4 by 1, it becomes 0, so we decrease distinct colors by 1, and then we paint it by 3. So 3 is not there in this map, we introduce 3, we increase distinct colors by 1. After the last query, 3 is covered with 4. 4 is not there, so we increase distinct color by 1 and 4. So that is the solution basically. So we need an array of ball colors and a hash map and one integer. Okay, let's get it. So there are limit plus 1 balls, right? So int ball color equals new int right. Then we need a map of integer frequency of color distinct colors. Then for int q in queries, first thing we need to check if is if this color is present in this frequency count, frequency map. If frequency color dot contains key q1, if it doesn't contain this key, then frequency color dot put q1 0. That's all. This will let us do more stuff easily, right? Now it is 0. Now okay, we need to check if the ball is already colored. So if ball color of q0 is not equal 0, right? If it is already colored, right, then we decrease the frequency of that color, the ball color, right? So frequency color of ball color of q0 okay, let's make this simpler. Okay, ball color of q0 is not 0, then frequency color, we need to now yeah, this is the color, right? Dot put this -1 if frequency color dot get this becomes 0, then distinct colors minus right? Right. If it is already colored, then we check if by decreasing the frequency of that color it becomes 0, then we decrease distinct colors, correct? Now at this point of time it is uncolored, right? Because we haven't counted that yet. Now we just need to color that, right, with the new color, which is q of 1. So if frequency color dot get q1 is 0, then distinct colors plus plus, correct? And at the end, frequency color dot put q1 yeah. So we don't even need to do this, we can just simply do get, and that will be easy, right? then ball color of q0 equals q1. Return distinct colors. Let's look at it once again. If the map doesn't contain that key, then we put it there. If it is already colored, then we decrease the frequency of that by 1. Then if it becomes 0, we decrease distinct color count. Now, right, frequency of this is this, then distinct color plus plus, else we increase the frequency. And okay, what happened here? Oh, at the end of each query we need. Okay, so simply int result equals new int queries dot length. Fucking hell, we need I. Okay, now result of I equals distinct colors. Okay, let's see if this works. I think it should. Memory limit exceeded. How? What? Queries can be 10 to the power of 5. If you then outtake this frequency color. Delete key from hash map java. Dot remove all. Okay, I mean, I can. If frequency color dot get ball color q0 becomes 0, and frequency color dot remove ball color q0. I don't know if this will fix that, but let's see, man. Right? Okay, still. Okay. Ball color int limit plus 1. Instead of keeping this an integer array, should I just take it as a hash map? But I'm pretty sure that they'll test the edge case as well, so I don't know if that makes a difference. I mean, I can do one thing. If it is uncolored, then delete it from the map. I can do that, right? So instead of this, let's do a map of integer new hash map, right? If ball color dot contains key q0, means that it is already colored, correct? Okay, hash map worked. Let's see. Because return value of this is null. What? If it doesn't contain this key, small dot contains key q0. I think it'll throw an error. Okay, it works. But it's too bad. The performance is very bad. Let's see some of the top solutions. Yeah, color, balls, result. Ball is this, new color is this. If balls contains this, then colors dot get balls dot get ball greater than 1. Color frequency. Oh, colors dot size. That's a good point. Yeah, it's kind of similar, but what am I doing wrong here? If frequency color dot get what was that? If balls dot contains key. Oh, if ball color dot contains key q0, then there is a frequency associated with it, so we remove that frequency. Frequency color dot okay. Frequency color dot put frequency ball color dot get q0 else ball color dot put q0 q1, right? Frequency color dot put q1 frequency color dot get or default q1 0 plus 1 result of I equals frequent color dot size. That's all. Let's see if this is faster. Okay, so I believe this might be a problem. Now, okay. If frequency color dot get is greater than 1, then we decrease that. Right? Yeah. Frequency color dot put Q1, not Q1. This -1, else. Yeah, so okay, one axis is removed. Let's see if this makes a difference. It makes a slight difference. Okay, it makes a huge difference. Okay, so we limit the number of hash map accesses basically. How many times we read from a hash map, that depends. That slows down the process. Okay, so this was a great question for today. We learned a lot. I'll be back next week because this is Friday. Friday gang. So, yep. See you next week. GG's.